the Monkey Bomb. Now this is priced at $24.99. If at any point during the video you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below. This is nostalgic as heck. It's just so freaking cool. Okay, so it actually has some functionality to it. First of all, it is very heavy. It's made out of this super dense plastic. It's a little bit like rubbery plastic, but it's still very dense. But the monkey's hands are stretched out like this, as you can see in the B-roll, and it can hold either like a controller or your phone while it's charging. This is just such a cool piece of decor that has functionality to it. And if you're a COD Zombies player, you're just gonna absolutely love this. So yeah, I have this on a little piece of decor on the side of my desk, but you can also put a controller in there. I love this, I love it. Okay, again, if you wanna check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. And if you wanna check out my main channel with longer form content, you can check that out right here. But this is a consumer tech review high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.